Jotijego mago mag piny owacho mago ma kaonti ma Kisumu okwedo dhok mano mabende ne ogol kod jatend migawo mabende ochung' ne jotijego mago mag piny owacho migosi Geoffrey Ruku mabende ne dwaro mar mondo mi jotijego ochule e yorno mar orak kata ondikgi e yorno man orak to ok e yorno mano mabende ongirore. Jotijego ne olero ni lokruok mano maket koda mano ok nyal timore ne jogo mabende ne osepuodhi higni mano machon kendo ondike yorno mano maongirore. Weche maket koda magi ne giwacho tok kane gisetimo yiero margi mano mabende gitimoga tok higni 5 kendo ne gitiyo kod thuolo maket koda mano kwayo tend kaonti mano ma Kisumu mar mondo mi ochul jotijegi gopegi mago sara mana kaka kaontis mago mamoko osetimo.
We've just had a successful election for our branch, which was held today, and the team with me have been elected to lead this branch for the next 5 years, and we hope to have a smooth transition even as we represent our members. In our today meeting, we have realized 3 key issues that we felt that we wanted to address so that our members can be well represented. And one of them, recently the Minister of Public Service, that's CS Ruku, talked about translating civil servants from P&P to contractual job. We want to ask the minister that he needs to come clearly on the issue of contract to the civil servants, because as far as we are concerned, all the civil servants who had been employed from the year since they were employed were given letters and already have appointment letters and employment letters reading permanent and pensionable. So as we stand, and our stand as a union in Kisumu branch is that is a big pipe dream, and we know that we are going to represent our members well. We are going to fight it under even the Employment Act. It is very difficult to change employees' terms and conditions midway unless a proper reason is given.
The Cabinet Secretary for Treasury had released money for county government wages, full posts. I think there is a serious issue that should be interrogated as to why every time disbursement of funds to the counties are done, the governors delay with their team to pay the workers their dues. It is not humanitarian that you work for your dues and you budget as a worker, as a parent, and sometimes it is also very difficult to move. We are asking the governors that they pay the workers their dues plus the arrears, so that there is continuity of service delivery to the workers. The share that is not properly being handled, we are requesting the authority to give directive that health should come first before pay, so that we save lives of citizens and more so the workers.